Adding a debit card to your N26 account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the setup. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the card section. Once you are in the app, look for the cards section in the main menu. Tap on it to access your card management options. Step 3. Select Add Card. In the cards section, find and select the option to add card. This will prompt you to enter your debit card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Input the required information for your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check the details for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card information, review the details once more and then confirm to save the card to your account. You should receive a notification confirming the successful addition of your debit card. Now you can use your debit card with your N26 account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance.